Running ads but losing money? The problem isn't the platform, it's the strategy. In the next 3 minutes, I'll show you how to run profitable ad campaigns, even with a small budget. Most people run ads hoping they work. Profitable advertisers run ads with a system. Let me break that system down simple and actionable. Before spending a single dollar, ask this. What is the goal of this ad? Is it leads? Sales? Website traffic? One ad. One goal. Multiple goals equals wasted money. This is where profitable campaigns begin. Ads fail when they're shown to the wrong people. To run profitable ad campaigns, target people with intent. Focus on one audience at a time. Speak directly to their problem. If your ad sounds like it's for everyone, no one clicks. People don't care about your product. They care about what it does for them. Instead of saying, best marketing software, say, get more leads in 7 days. Clear benefits equals higher conversions. Big mistake beginners make? Starting with big budgets. Instead, start with a small daily budget. Test 2-3 ads. Let data decide the winner. Testing saves money. Scaling makes money. If you don't track results, you're guessing. Always track. Clicks, conversions, cost per result. Turn off losing ads. Put more money into winning ads. That's how ads become profitable.